friends, welcome to China Education Game. So today we will learn some natural phenomena which is for class 8 and also ozone layer.
About ozone layer, we are going to know some important points about them. So first, let us know about what are some natural phenomena. So in this chapter, some natural phenomena. So first let us talk about this word. So some natural phenomena means earthquake, volcano eruptions. You can talk as lightning and etc. Like there are many such. So in this chapter we are going to know about lightning and earthquakes. So now let us start. So first of all, if we take an object, so this object is made up of many such things. So the tiniest thing is atom. So when we'll zoom in this atom, we will get some positive signs and some negative. So in this, the yellow ones are electrons and the other one is neutrons. So the electrons and neutrons are same in each. Means if in one atom there are 10 electrons, there will be 10 neutrons also. So when you will take a glass and you will take not a glass but a rough substance and another substance, and when you will rub it, so you will see now first of all let us know the transportation. So here the electron, here the yellow one is called as negative symbol and the neutron is called as the positive. So now when we will take a substance and when we will remove the electrons from it, so here the proton is more in more amount, so this will become positive. And let us take another object. So here we'll take more electrons. So when we'll take more electrons, the neutrons will become less. So then what will happen? Then it will be called as neutral. I mean negative. So now let us know how. Now in the both cases, I have only removed or put in only the electron, but I have not removed the neutron because neutron is immobile, because it cannot be taken or given. Only electrons can be taken or given. So that's why we did it. So now if you take a rough substance and another rough substance, so when you will take them both together and when you will rub it, so what will happen? So you know here we have also talked about friction. So here the friction will generate, and when you will rub, after rubbing, one substance will be positive and the another will be negative, because when you will rub the electrons from one object, it will be transferred to another object. So what will happen? Here it will be less electron, means it will be negative, and here it will be more electrons, which will be positive. So now let us know more. So now these are some common. So so now let us talk about, now there is a balloon and a glass. Now this glass is having the positive and the balloon is having the negative. So what will happen? This balloon is having some of the electrons within it and some of the neutrons. So this balloon is also containing the electrons, and this glass is having more amount of neutrons. So what will happen then when plus and minus, so when the positive and the negative are brought together, they would attract to each other, because the electrons present here in the balloon will be moved towards the left side, because in the left hand side the object is having more neutrons, so it will be attraction. And if here it is having more amount of neutrons, and here on the right hand side it will have more amount of neutrons, then what will happen when both will be brought together? It will not come. They will deflect it. Okay, so now let us know about some points about ozone layer.
Okay, what is ozone layer? Ozone layer protects us from the sunlight of the fast sunlight of the sun. So it is very in the earth. So the sun rays comes, its light. So the ozone layer, which is on the outside part, which is the last layer of the atmosphere. In the last, it covers the earth. It covers the earth by ozone layer by protecting the sunlight. So we can get the proper sunlight we need. So that sunlight we get, so that it helps ozone layer. If the ozone layer is not there, what will happen? So what will happen is that in our earth many animals will die, so many plants will get die, or it will get full yellow, because if we go out, so it will very hot if the ozone layer is not there. Ozone layer is protecting us from the huge and fast very heat sunlight, so which help us to give only proper amount of sunlight. So that's why we are in the nice position also. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe our channel Education King, and also click on the bell icon for more notifications in a mobile. And also wash your hands every day, and do not go out for doing any foolish things, or you should go out by taking sanitizer and wearing mask. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.